Okay. Am I live? I think so. All right. Good morning, everybody. And yeah, I didn't think you're gonna come down that hard. I know we're gonna smash through that 23, 33.16. Just didn't expect it to be within an hour. Jesus Christ, that is phenomenal. Well, I did have my sell position right here, up here around like 33.30 right here. So it has been a really profitable move right now. I still doesn't have a target profit. I mean, right now I'm my stop loss is at break even, but it's right now I don't think it's gonna go beyond the 20 32.91. I don't think I don't think it's even gonna go below 33.01 today. However, I don't know. Anything can happen right now. So yeah, we'll see. We'll see. I mean, anything can happen at this point. Um, don't want to say that it won't happen. It just um, well, for now, I think the best course of action is to play a follow trend for those who haven't entered already. But I am playing it right here on a 1 hour chart that I am going short on go at 33.30. Right now it's already dropped like 2,400 points. And I am continue to doing that. Um, wait for the drop some more. Wait for the break of 3,300. I once it's break 3,300, I don't think I'm gonna take um you know I don't think I'm gonna be able to stand. I don't think gonna be able to like hold it much longer. I think that this might be the last hour that I'll be holding it. In the meanwhile, I will ask if anybody is. Oh yeah, I forgot to do that. Boop, 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 pop that up. Bam, bam, bam. That looks good. Okay, here we go. There we go. Oh boy. Boy, oh boy. Oh yeah, I need to make this thing up. Okay, there we go. Okay, that should be good. All right, so still waiting for this drop right here. For those who has a buying position, it will be very difficult for me to tell you, but you have to cut your losses. Like you really have to cut your losses. Well, for me, I am right now. I am about 2,500 points in the bucket. Um, Considering closing right now, considering closing my position right now, I kind of doubt that we're gonna go past the 32.91 though today. And the reason is because this is pretty abnormal. However, it closed the gap this morning. It dropped right now. I think we might be seeing the rise again up to that 33.16. But I will wait for the drop and confirming the drop at like 32.91. So we'll see what happened here. Let's see if it can drop right here. If it break below this 3305, I will wait and then let it drop, breaking that 3300. However, if it doesn't break and it just kind of stay and eventually break above 3310, I will cut my win, and then that will be like my 2000 point win for the day. However, I'm aiming for at least another 1000, well, another 1500 right now. If it can drop and break below this 3300, I will be gaining that amount today. So let's see if I can catch this wave that it drop and break below that 3300. Let's see it. I really want to see this. If it can break 3300, and this will be the final break, because I don't think I see the strength anymore. I don't think I can see the strength anymore in this trade here. So yeah, I'm thinking of closing it right now. Just been debating with my friends here, and he's just like, hold, and I was like, nope. I am looking at a shorter time frame, and if it doesn't really fall into place here, I will. I don't see myself holding it. So, okay, here we go. If it break this 3308, I will be closing it. If it break this 3308, like just break above right here. Just break above right here, and I'll close the whole thing. Yeah, it doesn't do it. Doesn't do it. Nope, it broke 3308. I'm done. Let's see the pullbacks. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. I don't think I see much of a pullback here, so I am going to close this. Yeah, it kind of, like in this one, it kind of stands above this 3307 already. Yep, it stand above 3307, stand above 3308. I think we are at the point where we are saturated and waiting to close it back up. So I am going to close my position here. This doesn't mean that I think it will go up though. I think it can definitely come down some more. However, I will close the trade for now. Oh, hello, huh? Hello? Huh? All right, here we go. Okay, so if you are just coming in, my suggestion is that why is this so? My suggestion is to wait for the 3320 and then sell. Let me just transform. Yeah, there we go. That looks a little better. There we go. All right. Okay. Everything's excellent. Good. YouTube live still going. Good, good. All right, perfect. Okay, here we go. Now that everything is settled, I'm just waiting for.โอเคมาโอ้โหไลฟ์เทรดจบไปแล้วนะอันนี้ so finished with the trade here already. Now we are moving on. So now we are moving on to the second trade of the day, which we're going to be waiting for at least 3320 right here. Let me just draw this out. So we're going to wait for up and then down. So that's what we're waiting for. If there's a short position, that would be great. All right, let's see here. You know what? This is something that I really want to do. All right. If anybody's here, just type in the comment, and let me see if I can. There we go. Ta-da. Wait, is that gonna interfere? Let me see. All right. Okay. TikTok. Oof. Nice and bright. All right. This is good. All right. Perfect. Live. Man, this is really bright. I'll turn this down a little. Oh, weird. Okay. All right, here we go. Okay, so good day, everybody. Oh my God, it's gonna drop again? It already dropped like 4,000 points right now. Jesus Christ. Oh man, this is not something that I would this is not something that I would expect the drop to happen here. The drop happened right at the beginning of the New York session at around 7 p.m. and it has been dropping down ever since. Um, from the top here is about 2340, so it dropped almost like 4,000 points, and it doesn't seem like that it will be stopping anytime soon either. So I am gonna waiting to play short. However, I want to see the pullbacks here up to that 3320 first before I actually start selling. However, I don't think we're gonna be getting that chance. So right now I'm waiting. Right now I'm waiting to see if there's another opportunity that I can actually scalping it, because I already had my first shot here at around like at around 3330. I did get the 3335 or even 3340, but I get at the 3330, so I get pretty decent, like about 2,000 points. However, right now we're trying to skim it off just a few hundred points more. So um, as of this moment, I already know that it is dropping. So we're gonna wait for it to retest here at around 3312, 3315 here. If it cannot go past it, we will looking for the break and try to shorten it. However, if it broke and it go up to that 3320, then I will be waiting for that. So the key level here is this right here at the 3314, and so that's the key level 3314, and another key level would be the break of this low right here. The break of this low would be the confirmation. The break, if it doesn't break up here, that would be our entry. However, if it can just go up to the 3318, that would be great. So we'll see what happened here. Let's see what happened here. So if you're here for the first time, don't forget to click like and follow. I'm not here too often. I didn't go live too often, but I will be putting up my content regularly from now on. So if you like my content, just click like and follow and share to your friends. Also, if you want to join the community, you are welcome to join my free Discord group. If you ready, we are gonna be shorting pretty soon here. Let's go, baby. Let's go, let's go, let's go. So we'll be shorting pretty soon right here. And to be honest, right now, I don't think that we are gonna get any further up from here because the bear move is too. It's just too much bear momentum right now for me to consider going long. So I'm waiting for a shorting opportunity. However, when I drew this up, I actually thought it will. Oh, thank you very much, Nat. Um, when I drew this up, I actually thought that it's gonna go up to at least 33.20. However, it doesn't seem like it right now that it make the break, and it seems like it's not gonna be going up there very much. So my second aim right now is probably around that 33.18. So we're probably gonna get the price around 33.15. Just wait for the confirmation that it cannot go up anymore. Looking for a reversal candle, and then we will be selling it down. So let's wait and see here if we have the opportunities. And right now, like I said, don't consider going long at all, because if you're going long, you are really playing against the trend today. Trend today has been down, and it has been down ever since for the past 3 days. So I don't think you should be going long at all. It already dropped at least 14,000 points from the high of couple like last week. Last week high was like 34.40. I can't believe I have to say like both numbers now. 34.40. That was a price it was last, and then it dropped to today, which is about 3,300. So that's 14,000 points. If you think that, oh, it's okay, my portfolio can withstand like 10,000 points, well, it just broke that record. So if you want to your portfolio, if you want your portfolio to survive this chaos, I suggest having a stop loss, having a really tight stop loss, and let your TP ride. Because I'm telling you right now, this kind of opportunity is something that the guy who play Elliott Wave, or the guy who run trend, who love running the trend, catching the big wave. These are the guys that would just keep adding on their position. So if you are not one of those guys and you are doing day trading and you thought that, oh, it has been going up and down for quite a while, and oh, it has been good. Well, it won't be, and this is one of the example here that it wasn't. So if you want my honest opinion in trading, don't expect the thing that you like. If you're making money a lot already before, expect to lose money, and you really need to know the risk of that. When you gain a lot of money, I'm sure it feels great. I'm sure it make you feel big and very proud. However, playing long enough, you know that most of the time, that didn't last. You hit your drawdown period, you will have the shot didn't go your way, because essentially what this is you're coming in here to predict the future. The future can be so unpredictable. I know for a fact that I had what seems in my head a really good winning strategy that could not be wrong, could not go wrong, it did. So just to tell you that anything that you might thought of that you thought that, oh, it's brilliant, it's one of a kind, you the only one who thought of it, try to speak to another traders, or even people who've been in field for at least 10 plus years. They pretty much gotta know where it will end up, and because everybody has been experienced it before. Not There's nothing new coming out after this. Even with the AI, with the algo and all that stuff, what trading is just a line on a on the chart here. So it doesn't really uh what do you call it? You don't expect to win the money from just lying on a chart. You're here as a player in the market, and sometimes you get lucky, sometimes you actually win some. However, if you are keep continuing and you said that you will continue to win no matter what, it really gonna burn you, because I saw a lot of my student has been burned before from they know the risk, they just didn't expect that risk to be in effect. I don't know if you follow that, but it when I first taught any of my students, I will always say that if you want to learn to trade, first you need to know the risk. This is the market where you can multiply risk really, really fast. Because it let's say if you have like a $1,000 portfolio, you you play 0.01, which is basically the bare minimum of trading, of the trading size, 0.01 lot size. You already playing more than the money that you have. Because what 0.01 lot size means is that it represents you are making a contract of the gold spot, the XAU USD, for 1 ounce, which right now equate to $3,300. So the fact that you have $1,000 and you making a contract of $3,000 and more, it already showed that you, oh, here we go, that's a shot already. So it already showed that you're playing 3 times amount of your money. So I'm just gonna pause right here for a second, let it sink in. But before I do, it already went up like I planned. Didn't go up as much as I planned. However, that's a short signal already. Like I said, we probably gonna get it at around this 33.15. However, we might not be able to get that 33.15. We might be able to get it right here at that 33.14. So I'm gonna put a soft position in here. Yeah, not even gonna get that 33.14. I am getting it right here at 33. I really don't like that number, but it is what it is. I am putting on a short position right now at around 33.13. Okay, so already short position. My stop loss is just gonna be above the high here, and it's gonna be like about 800 points. I know it seems like a lot, 800 points just right above the 21. And my target is going to be right at the low here at around 33.01. Same thing. So that's my target. That's my stop loss. I already put on the selling position. You can follow it if you want to. I make sure that I don't have 100% win rate. That's why I have a stop loss and the loss size that is manageable. So don't try to copy everything I do. My portfolio is 200K. I can play 0.51 all day, all year, and without affecting anything in my mental state. So if you are like me, you want to play like 0.51 lot, at least have about $50,000 in your account. Oh, sorry, not 50,000. At least $5,000 in your account. Preferably around 10,000 or even 20,000. But you know, 5,000 would be the bare minimum. If you have less than that and play at 0.51 like I did here, I wouldn't suggest it. It's gonna really take a toll on your mental stress. And look at this. Mine has 200K accounts. So the fact that I only put 0.51 is really something that you know, doesn't affect me at all. So if you are like me, you want to play 0.51 as well, then I suggest that you are I suggest that you have at least $5,000 account. Anyway, okay, so enough of the, and this is for entertainment purpose only. It's not a guide to make money or anything. This is just me trading, so you guys can actually know what trading is. If you want to learn what I do, you can contact me via my personal direct message DM on my profile, or click the link. You can search me on any platform at ProWithTrader, and I'll be sure to get in contact with you. Okay, so right now it's dropping hard, and my target right now is at around 301. The stop loss is around, I would say, I was putting at 31 before. I think I will put it lower. However, right now I'm just gonna stick with that 21 for now. So let's see how it goes. Boom, boom, boom. Just keep on coming down. It's already making me $100. I just need like at least $300 today, and I'll be on my way. Let's go, let's go. If I can get 600, that would be great. It would be enough for a meal today. So here we go. Like I said, I don't think very much. I just drew this up and said that if the bull is getting saturated, I think that will be the drop coming in pretty soon. I will try to see if I can take my first target right here at 33.10. If it breaks down really hard, I'll wait for more. Wait for the break of the low here at 33.08. If it can break that as well, it will come all the way down, and that's where we're gonna wait for our target. However, if it kind of like just doesn't seem like it had that much of a selling momentum, then I will be closing this. Here we go. Here we go. It's coming in. It's coming in now. Coming in hot. Coming in hot. And now it's getting cold. Yeah, I was assuming that 33.10 is going to be a problem. Let's just see here if that 33.10 can be passed or not. Meanwhile, just going to grab some water, wait for the trade to execute, and nothing to do but wait now. Just another normal day, making 5-6K. No, I'm kidding. I'm not making 5K a day, no. Just a few $100. Just a few hundred is good for me. Alright. Let's go for the convenience sake. 33.10. Let's see it drop, break below this low. Boom. Come on. Let's see it break below this low right here at 33.10. If it can break right below this low, then it will go down to that previous low at 33.08. And if it can break that, then we're going to be waiting for our actual targets. Woohoo! Now I kind of regret that putting only like a smaller size in. However, I already make like about 2K in my other account, so this one I feel like it's all a bonus, and I just want to have my $200-300 back. So that's why I only put it on smaller lot size. However, now I'm regretting it because like this is a really good winning, and I have no idea. I have no way of adding position either because there's no pullback at all. It just keep on like dripping down, breaking 33.10 right now. And okay, nope, not yet, not yet, not yet, not yet. It's up there, so it's not clean break at 33.10 yet. So let's see if it's had a clean break. Oh, here we go. Here we go. If it can come down, break to the 310, we're gonna have ourselves a woohoo! Let's ride. Let's take this ride. Let's take it out for a ride here. All right. Already like $200 in the money. Bam, bam, bam. That's good. Looking good. I'm back up to that 4K for the month. Come on, come on, come on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's see if it can drop down to that 33.01 here. Jesus. This is gonna be, if it can break 33.01, I will be so amazed because it already dropped 4,000 points from the high. Actually not from the high. From the high it's almost like 5,000 points. But it already dropped 4,000 in the past 2 hours. So right now let's see if it can drop below 33.10. If it can drop below 33, and especially right here at 33.08, it will be a really good one. Thank you for all the like. If you like my content, if you like my live streaming and showing you the inside trading, then just tap on your phone, give me a like, give me a thumbs up, click like and follow, just so you don't miss my content again, because to be honest, I am this live right here is gonna make a lot of people money. That's all I can tell you. Because every time I come on live, I always get hit my target. So if you want to follow me, click follow. And I don't go on live very much. I just it's pretty much just based on what I found, like, oh, I want to share this, so I came on and then share it with you guys. Like this setup right here, it looks too good. So before the 10 o'clock, I was thinking, yeah, I gotta have to go on live and setting this up. I have it on my YouTube as well, and if you want, you can go in, search it, my growing trader, and on any platform, and then I'll see you guys in there. If you want to contact me directly, you can also message me as well if you want to learn with me. Yeah. Now let's go. We're already broken down right now. Boom, right here, $270 in the money, $300 now. $300 in the money. Maybe I should just like put it right here. There we go. There we go. That makes sense. All right, just gonna put my shots right here. Put my TP right there. That looks good, right? You guys can actually like look at the target profit with me here. All right, here we go. I'm not gonna touch anything. This thing is gonna be a free fall. Once this thing hit a free fall in another 2 minutes, you're gonna change the candle. It's gonna drop being another red candle, because on the hourly chart it just looks so good right now. Right now I'm kind of contemplating whether to take off my target, because from the way it looks like it could drop below the 3300 right now. It looks like it can drop below that 3300. So what do you guys think? Type 1 if you want me to remove the the target profit, and type 2 type in 2 in the comment if you said that, hey, that's enough, don't be too greedy at 3301. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? I mean, that I already set up my target right here at the 3301. So, but if you want to, um, I don't know if I should consider taking my TP off right now, because in another one more minute, basically 40 seconds left, it's gonna change the average candles that are gonna drop. If it drop hard in the next candle, it could go past 3300, and I don't know if I want to miss that chance, because like once it drop, I'm pretty sure it's gonna go another 1,000 points here. Ah, man, am I being too greedy? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Yes, I am being too greedy. Okay. Let's see here. So it just broke, coming back for the retest at the 3308. And let's see if it can just come down some more. All right, that's a moment of truth here. 3308. Will that stand? Will that stand? So will it, going all the way back up? If it does, it does. Then I'll just maybe be making that 300 bucks right now. But if it can drop some more, that would be cool. Here we go. I mean, I'm already 500 points in the money. All right. So let's go. And it dropped. Let's see. It cannot go back above that 3308. That looks good. Looks good right now. Let's see if it can break that 3305. Actually no, 3306. If it can break that 3306, that would be great. Then it will just have 3305, and then it will definitely reach that 3301. So this is the last two support right now at 3305 and 3306. It needs to pass that 3306 first before it reaches that 3305. So let's go. Here we go. 3305, 3306. Come on. One thing I've kind of forgot is to record the screenshot of this. Oh well, too bad. So sad. Doesn't matter. You guys, you all saw it. You all saw my entry. I've been here for a while. I mean, that was like what, for the past 48, that's for the past 12 minutes. I've been here since like 9:30. So anybody here with my order right now at 3313? Anybody took that order? Took that short position? มีใครได้ตามผมไหมเมื่อกี้นี้ได้ที่เล่นเซลล์ลงมาเมื่อกี้นี้ Yeah, right now I'm waiting to see if the price is gonna go back up above that 3308. Cause like the moment it does, I think I'm gonna close my position. I don't think I want to mess around with this, cause it's the end of the day. If at this basically 10-hourly candle right now cannot break the 3306 or 3305, I think I'm considering just closing it up. Gonna be done for the day. But if it can, dropping another 400 points, that would be a really nice 1,000 point hit for me. Right now it's already like 500 point hit, so I mean it's good. It's good already. I'm not gonna complain. It's already great. I'm just wondering if I can get some more. However, if there's no more selling pressure, there's no more potential, I will gladly take my 250 bucks profit right now. The fact that I know if it losing its strength is that is when I know that right there is when the candle broke above and broke, going up above this line right here. And basically, in the next 2 to 3 candle will be a decision candles that if it's continue to go up or stay above, I will be closing the whole thing. But if it can break below 3309 again, I will just keep it. Yeah, it doesn't seem like it's gonna come down below. So right now I'm waiting to see if it will break below the 3308. If it cannot break below, then I will be closing the whole thing. I know I missed like about $100 because I want to get the whole package, you know. But that's part of the game. Like you can wait for a higher target profit, or you can cut it off and say that I'm happy with this amount of win. And that really depends. It's not really depends on just the psychology or your trading plans, but it's really depend on how you read the market as well. Like if you are an experienced trader, you can adapt to every single new candle that coming in. And when you have this skill, then you can be the first to know when the price is losing its strength, is enough, is want to go up some more or go down some more. So I would say that this is a really good skill. Another good skill is not to be biased. It is to let go and look at the chart objectively. To do that, I think the best way to master how to read charts is to just I would say just play with amount of money low enough that it doesn't affect you, and then just build your muscle from there. Like for me personally, $100 is not much. $100 is $100. I can make that in a day. $1,000 seems a bit much. I'm still working for that $500 to, you know, that for $500 I'm still get affected by it. So but right now it's $200. Yeah, right here, this is what I don't want to see. So if it comes down to that $200 again, I will close the whole thing. Yeah, it just blew off. It didn't get me to have a chance to close at that $200. Let's see here. I really want that $200. Oh well, too bad. Here we go. Let it come down to that $200 mark, and I will be closing this right now. Here we go. Yep, no questions. No question asked. I'm just gonna, you know, finish my trade here because the thing is, I'm waiting for this drop to happen right here, and I don't want to wait when it finally cross over that EMA 15 here. So if it does cross over and it seems like it could go up some more, I'm not gonna race to see having another you know, gamble to see if that's gonna drop. We are playing scalping, which means that whatever I can take, I'm taking it. I'm not going to wait very long to see if the trade works out or not. And that has been working well for me. The point I'm trying to say is that I am here as an analysis, not here as, you know, voodoo mumbo jumbo that can see and predict the future. No. If whatever the market tells me, that's what I trade. It tells me that it wants to go down. I play short, and Of course, there will be time that the market don't want to come down. If it's just going to keep going up, then that's fine. I am a market analysis, so if the market goes up, I will cut my losses and say that, yeah, well, market want to go up. That's it. No matter what I'm trying to do, the market want to go up, it's just going to go up. I don't have any say in it. Here as well, when it said the market want to go down, okay, I'm going down with it. I play a short here. And then did I get maximum? No, I didn't get maximum, but I get what I can get, which means that once the market start to reverse, it break above here. I wait a little bit because like this could be, you know, a false break here and there. But when it confirmed by having like at least 2-3 minutes above this EMA 15 and it broke above, that already tell me whatever I can get. I'm just gonna close the whole thing. If let's say this candle become another green candle, I'm just gonna close it at break even. That's fine, and I'll find another opportunity to short and sell it. Here's the thing that I really want you guys to get about trading is that trading is not about making the prediction futures that, oh, it has to be this and that indefinitely. You're right 100% of the time. No, you're making a rough educated guess on what might be the outcome um, based on what the market's telling you right now. Doesn't mean it will. It's just I'm making a good rough educated guess. That's it. So if you really want to come into this market, let's say you're new and you want to come into this market, the first thing you need to know is that market is not your friend. Market is something that you really need to be able to analyze. And if you think that, oh, the market will be nice to you, you're wrong. It is nice to you because maybe you in the what do you call that, honeymoon phase. If you are in that honeymoon phase, then yeah, sure, it's your first year, couple of years maybe. Actually, I'm seeing it more like, you know, first few months. In the first few months, when people actually studying this, and they were like, "Oh my God, market is so easy. I make money like every day, this and that, showing off. I'm gonna retire early." And the fact is that you're gonna have to lose a lot before you start to realize that the market is not your friend. The market is not your lover. The market is just something that you you don't want to be on their bad side. That's it. So analyze the market really well, and whatever they give you, take it, and whatever they don't give you, then you just said that, okay, I respect you. I'll pay whatever fees you want. I mean, that essentially that's how I look at the market anyway. I respect it. I don't fear it. I know how to analyze it. And I can live with it. However, I know that whatever I want, whatever I tell the market I want, I'm definitely not gonna get it. So yeah. So don't expect the same thing. Like you're not special in this market. Market just it's just based on like millions and millions of people coming into trading floor trying to take money from each other. So it is a really brutal competition here, and I don't want to see you guys are, you know, getting butthurt by not being prepared for it. And this is what I found out after 12 years of trading, that the market is not your friend, but you can work with him. You can definitely work with him if you are, you know, if you are respecting. If if you show them some respect, then yeah, pretty much it. too deep. Maybe too deep for some people who came in new. But just if you ask anybody who been in the trading for the past at least 5 to 10 years, they will tell you the same thing. It's the same story that market is the trend is your friend. Market is not your friend. Okay, here we go. So that's another short position. I mean short signal. Do I want to play this? I mean it's right on the cups of 3310. I don't have the edge anymore because the edge before was thinking that it will break the 3310 right at the cross of the hour. It has been 15 minutes past the cross of that hour. So do I want to play again? That is the question. Um, hmm. Yeah. Do I want to play again? Huh. Not too sure yet because like it's not really crossing. It's not really the best position for risk reward either. So that's tough. And when it is tough, I don't play it. When I say tough, I mean like I don't have enough reason that said, oh, this is obvious. You know, I really would like to have that moment that yeah, this is obvious. I'm playing this like this moment right here. This moment right here, it going according to what I said. It did drop a little too sooner than expected, but that's just to tell you how big of the influence on the bear momentum is. So when it dropped right here, I was like, yep, I'm getting it at 33.13. I know I didn't get the best price here. I'm actually waiting for that 33.15, but I can't wait no more. It already make a reversal. Already have this engulfing candle, already have this short position, already touched the turner line, already touched the previous resistance and cannot break through. So I gotta take this. I mean, that's obvious, right? With that many signals, it's just obvious that you gotta take it. And I know it's gonna go down, no matter how far it goes down. Maybe it doesn't go down as much. Right here, it already went down for like what 500-600 points. But it's still good. I mean, it's still good. Um, However, when it come up here and there's short signal here, the only reason I find is that yeah, the price is coming down. It has short signal after all the three pumps, and yeah, right now it kind of break below. So yeah, that's quite a few. It's just I don't know. I feel like I want to at least coming up to 33.15 so I can get a good, nice reward right now. So anyway, I know that's not a lot of like English speakers on the platform. So if you be kind, sharing the live trade to your friend who's an English speaker who's staying in Thailand, that would be great. If you want to meet me and you're English native speaker, you can actually meet me as well. I'm actually on CDC. You can contact me, and yeah, we can just go for lunch or something. You're buying, by the way. All right. So let's see here. Yeah, that's why I'm not selling right here. It's 33.10. It doesn't seem like it broke all the way. It just went back up right now. I'm waiting for again at 33.14, 33.15 if it can eventually get up there. If not, then it's just gonna be done for the day. Actually, um, already done for most of my days because already made my daily goal for today, like right here. Already make my daily goal for the day over 2K. So and that's on my funded account. So I am still working on that. But aside from that, it's pretty good. Today has been not too bad. I'm just basically here hanging out with you guys and ask if you guys are doing well. Alrighty. Yeah. Really? Come on. Uh, it's just funny. Oh hey, that's somebody. I like your stream. Thank you, thank you. There's somebody who just click on my um the green app, the IOA. So if you like, you can just click on my thing and um just tell me what do you need help with? Because like right here we have like basically an ecosystem of trading and whatever you need, whether it be my personal coaching or class or even signal room, anything I can help you, or even tools like the all these indicators. um yeah, it can be rented out as well. So if you have any question, you can always ask what can help your trading style. Because when I first started in my trading journey, I didn't have all this. I followed a guy who basically came in, trade for like an hour, giving a little bit of mindset. And I do this every day, an hour every day, an hour or two every day. Back then I was scalping in the Nasdaq market, and it blew my mind how 1 hour a day really changed my life. So I hope that is for you as well. I mean, I'm gonna come in here at least an hour or two a day, so that you guys can learn a little bit of my trading style and system. What I did was that I have my daily goal, daily goal as in daily profit and daily stop loss. If I hit any of that, then I'm done for the day. Like for example, here I'm gonna show you that this is my week. This is what my week has been so far this week. That I feel like I am gonna kill myself. Okay, so starting with the first week, it has been, oh, it's not bad. The first week has been like $1,200 win, right? Well, here's the thing. Going to the second week, actually, no, that's not the first week. This is the first week. The first week was a $1,600 win. The second week was a $1,200 win, so that's pretty good so far. However, my third week has been horrible. Look at all this SL, and it's just like I can't. Why? It just and I thought that was bad. I was like, okay, that's just one bad week. Well, last week was awful. I put at a minus of about $1,000 for last week, and this week I came in and I was just like, you know what? I I don't know. I have no expectation if I'm gonna end this month with like a negative balance. That's fine. I'm just gonna keep on continue coming in, but this today has been working well so far for me, so that's good, and that is essentially what trading is. You will have your ups and downs no matter how many years you've been trading. It's just the way the game is set up. Doesn't mean that you're bad. Even if you follow all the rules, you're still gonna be losing money sometimes. Just believe that if you follow your trading system, your trade setup, that you have been backtested, that essentially you will get to the point where, yeah, losing is normal. It's just part of the game. And when you hit that drawdown period, just control your stop loss. Just don't try to lose it all in one day, because most of the time people lose it all in one day. And that's a fact. Most people, they cannot stand losing streak. So let's say this past 2 weeks that I have been kind of, let's say, on a losing streak side, then most people won't survive. And if you can be able to manage and minimize the damage during those 2 weeks, you will see the gain like I have been this week. Like today. Today I was just like, I'm hitting TP again. Like, the hell? I just get $200 right here. I was like, damn, is that easy, huh? For the day like today? you know? So don't be too hard on yourself on the day that you're losing. Just try to lose as much as possible, like as little as possible. When anybody here play golf, by the way? If you are, just type in golf for me. Cause if you play golf, just type in G for me. If you play golf, because I would say this, that playing, I mean, trading is so similar to golf. Like it has same mindset, it has same like, actually another sport that is very similar to trading is poker. So poker, golf, and trading have almost the same mindset, and that is to just whatever happens, happens. Let it go. You done your best. It's just the way it is. You're not gonna be able to get every win in. So for example, let's say when you play golf and you have like one bad shot, and it's like, in the water or OB or anything like that, you always to say to yourself that, hey, if I'm coming with a bogey, I'm lucky. That's fine. Don't try aggressive and be like, I really have to save par on this one. You mean you're saving one stroke, but of the risk of what? Another 2 or 3 strokes? And that risk usually doesn't pay off either. You pull off like one in every 10 shot of that kind of risky move out of the woods, or try to play a hard hit across the water. It's not worth it. You know what is worth it is to just play smart, be confident on your skill, and then just save whatever stroke you have left. That's the best you can do. And what most people do, they try to be aggressive and play that hero shot. So I don't know if you guys understand my metaphor here to golf, but I hope you do, because it would be really fun if you play golf and you play poker and you come to trading. Oh, we're gonna really have a lot of fun. And if you don't, that's fine. I am a professional. I'm not only a professional trader. I'm a professional golfer as well. So and I can teach you poker as well. I play poker, not that good, but quite well that I can survive on the table. So if you interested on anything, doesn't have to be trading, either in golf, in poker, just ring me up, cause like I mean, we're always looking for a friend, and if you, especially if you're in Thailand, come join me, cause we actually right now just been all over the place. I've been in the upper part of Bangkok. I've been to the uh, what do you call that? East side of Bangkok. Okay, that's, oh, this one. I think I'm gonna take this one. This is a good one. Right. Have to remember to hit a record on this. Because I don't want to miss that again. Nope. Right. Don't go down without me. Don't go down without me. God dang it. All right. All right, here we go. Okay, here we go. Let's do it together. 1, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Boom. Okay. Going together with you guys. I'm gonna put my stop loss about let's see here, 300 points up. Basically 3316.35. And my target is just gonna be the low. So I'm risking 150 bucks for about 250 gain. So 1 to 1.5, somewhere around there. So here's my order right now. I'm just gonna go to that previous low right now. Actually, I'm thinking can be a little bit further than that. I'm gonna go with this right here. Nice 300 bucks. Let's see if I can win this one. Okay. All right. So here we go. I'm gonna put this right beside here. This is good. Already TP on this one. Let's see if I can get another. Ooh, that doesn't look good. That doesn't look good. That right there, that doesn't look good. Ooh, huge break right here. If it go back up above, that would be good for me. All right, let's see. All right, last one for the night, guys. If we hit this, then please click like, follow, and hit share. Okay. And for those in the YouTube as well, just be kind, saying hi to me. It has been pretty lonely so far on that red app. And here we go. Let's see it drop from here at 33.14. Oh, that's not good. That's not good. That's not good. That's not good. If it broke above this line right now, especially at that 33.17, I'm out. If it break above, I'm out. Oh, it did. It did. It is. It is gonna break above right now. It's gonna break above right now. Oh, I should have taken my money and run. But too bad. Come on, calm down, calm down. Yeah, but I don't have much hope right now. This is the thing about stop losses. Sometimes I don't even go for, I don't even wait for a stop loss. I'm just gonna close it up because it already break this oh, there we go. So it already break above this tunnel line right now, and I'm not gonna have much hope after it broke really hard, especially this two candles. So this candle might be a pullback. If it did and pull back really hard, then yeah, I'll definitely gonna keep it. However, this so far has been good for a selling position. This has not, and this 2, 3, I don't mind stopping out. This is just part of the plan. This is part of the game. I'm not here to predict the future. This is what it is. And I basically, lose 100, gain 200, so I am basically just break like making like $50 for the day on the other account. But like I said, I am not expecting very much. Uh, so am I regretting taking those? Well, here's the thing: if I don't take these, if this came up again, I will be questioning it. This is the most important thing about trading is that even if you have everything correct, doesn't mean you will make money in that trade. So if everything is correct, all you have is odds that you're gonna be, winning more time than you're losing. Doesn't mean that that trade will make you win. That will make you money. So if you know that trade not gonna make you money, then you have to kind of let go to whatever the outcome might be. However, you will try your best to plan the trade and trade the plan because you know when you trade the plan, you have the edge to make money. So if you play this 100 times over and over again, you know that the money is going to be coming into your pocket. And that's what I want everybody who's starting out new to know this by heart is that you don't try to win every single time you come into the market. I mean, if you did, sure, great, but though nobody does, nobody really does. And once you realize that, and you let go of the expectation of winning every single trade, you start to become a really, really good trader, a really profitable one at that. So don't take my word for it. Just go from your experience. If you are still struggling, I suggest that um, you might have that as your problem. So, okay, that's another short position. I am not gonna play again because it already tell me that it want to go back up above the turn line. Unless it can come back up below the turn line again, I am not going to take this trade. Simple as that. Okay, well, what time is it? Oh, okay. Well, I gotta go. So, for those of you who are on TikTok, just cross over to YouTube. I'll be running this for a while, but the battery is running out on my phone. So, if you want, you can go over to YouTube and search Proven Trader, and I'll be seeing you guys right here. See you guys. Bye bye. Have a good one. Bye bye. เวิร์กเลย เดี๋ยวขออนุญาต I'll be right back to open my mic. Ah, it's fine. Whoops. Whoopsie daisy. Okay. Well. Okay. Well, it's a good thing too because nobody has been with me. I said that I sell it right here. Thought that it's gonna go all the way down. At least hit my TP at that 33.11. Hit that 33.11.6. Making like 200 point profit and then just suck it back up in the past 2 minutes. So it hit my didn't hit. I said that if it come up to hit that that line right here, 33.5, 13.5, I am going to close out the whole trade, and it did. And I was just like, you know what, I'm out for today. I am having enough trading for the past 3 hours. I am gonna go off. I already make like a good bang for my bucks. I don't want to lose it all to the market, so I am out right now. For those of you who in the UK, good luck trading in the afternoon session. But for me, I am signing off. Have a good night, guys. Bye bye.